So we're back with the lumber, and I don't know how much longer we have for this game, but I played this for 3 hours, as you can see right here, 3 hours, 13 minutes. But let's get started. The other few videos were pretty good because of my audio. Oh yeah, that's right. I had this little guy. Because I threw my watering can. Holy crud, you're fat! Ugh, God dang! I'm just gonna carry him by dumpster. What if the press W? Nothing. Bro, pass. Random alley. Oh my god. I know. But he's just watching me. We need to kill the witness. Come on, officer. This is slow. Why is he going so slow? He's not that fat, is he? You can carry him with one arm, bro. You can't be going that slow. Danger, keep out. Whatever. Come on, faster, faster. It's so slow. Why are you so slow? Just go fast. That scared me. What? Yay, I got mail. Yay. Ooh, yay. Come over to the dump. I have something interesting to show you. Alright. Wait, what? What's going on here? Hey. Hey, girl, what you doing?
Hello, I'm eating this loaf of bread. I baked it.
Siri sounding, oh, okay, nice. I wonder if I can have some, uh, some bread, if you know what I mean. Well, having fun doing so.
Thanks. You too, with whatever you're doing.
Yeah, thanks. Oh boy, she totally likes me. It's crazy. Alright, kill the simp. Okay. Come on. I have. God dang! That was not there. That's my favorite object in this whole game. It's funny. If you haven't seen the last video, go see it. Hey, I wanted. Oh wait. Hey, I wanted to make sure there aren't any robots in the dump that are out for revenge. And I found this. A rocky socket for what looks like to be the shape of a legendary spine crystals. It also already has one in it. What is a spine crystal, you ask? Hundreds of years ago, in ancient Egypt, people wanted blah blah blah. Thank you. Blah blah blah. Space time. Blah blah blah. Spine. Blah 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 blah. They all died. They all died. Blah blah screen. Blah blah magic creatures and that stuff. Blah. And then I sold them on the market because the company wasn't paying off. I'm really curious what would happen if we put them back in their sockets. I remember that I sold Owl, and when he built creepy machines for the forest, but he's retired and lives in the mountains. Maybe you can get, maybe, maybe he keep creating me a bug. Son, I'm relying on you to go get that pay my visit and bring me my spine crystals. I don't think I'm saying that right. It sounds weird. What is that? This was the last thing before. When did we get all this stuff? Alright. Also, I'm stupid because it says what they give you right here. So wait, we have to go to the mountains. That's where I froze to death last time. So what, can I just go now? Or do I need something to stop the rain? Or whatever is killing me at least. Wait. I had to try. I had to try to kill him. See, look at the rain. Oh man. Game over. Alright, so I need to place something there, so. No, no! I'm stupid. It's stupid. Okay. Chop. Chop. Craft. What can I build over here? What can I build? Oh, flower pot. Palm tree. Nah. Hmm. Really fancy. Uh. That might work. Okay, so I need to go get an umbrella somehow. I bet you they got one with cloth though, don't they? They have to. It's just an umbrella. It's gonna be rare. Watch me take like 5 hours to find this one thing. Oh yeah, right there. I need a lot of wood though, so stop it. Bad. How much lumber can I make right now? How much was it? 30? 30 something? Alright, 82. Yeah, it's 82. Uh, that one. I guess that is. I don't even know if I saw that last time. Do 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 do. You know what I have to do. I need the Mario pipe. What? There's nothing there? Oh, let's go. Was that the flop flop? Oh, oh, Lord, Lord! Instinct. It's just instinct. You can't catch me, loser. This is easy. It's the Thwomp Thwomps from Mario. I think that's what they're called. Like big old bricks. Come get me. Come get me. I'm not spending 5 hours on this now. No, sorry. Oh, oh my god! Oh, stop, stop! You're not supposed to be like this. Go away, you ugly, you rip off wish.com, thwomp thwomp, thomp thomp. I don't know what they're called. I got Mario. I have Mario. I need to do level 4 now. What is in level 4? No! Not the bird. Not the bird. Not the... and the thing. One more try. You know I gotta go. It's always one more try with me, man. Alright, go, 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 go. Alright. Why can't you hit the bird and kill him for me? Alright, so, right here. Go. Died. No. Alright, no. I'm not spending 5 hours on that again. I refuse. I got what I wanted. I got the Mario pipe. Yum. 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 Boop. Bop. Beep. Blop. Yum. 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 Boop. Bop. Beep. Blop. Yum. Yum. Wait, what do I need for it? I needed wood. I don't know how much wood though. 50. I got just enough from eating 5,000 trees. Oh. Alright. He's still staring at her, bro. You need some water because you seem thirsty. Where do you stay? This is my favorite cafe. Yeah, my mom works there. Alright. Build. Please don't kill me, please don't kill me, please don't kill me, please don't. Did it work? Yes! Screw you! Plant, plant, no plant. Plant, plant, plant. Danger sign. Whoa, whoa. Oh no! What the? Excuse me. How many frickin' people do I have to voice? Get as many clams as you can without touching the mines. If you get to 100 points, we will reward you with a special item. Alright. So what? What? What do I do? No! How do I control it? Is it WASD? Oh, it's random? That sucks. No! Catch a fish. Alright, boys, I'm catching fish today. Alright, yeah. I got this. I wait for him to go. And fuck! Oh! My life is flashing before my eyes. No! I had 5 seconds. Alright, so I just gotta go. Alright. Okay, I don't. Oh. Alright, time it. Alright. Time it. Time it. Time it. I didn't time it. Timed. Get timed. That was not big. That was not getting timed. That was getting blown up. Oh, I'm telling you, my life has flashed before my eyes. I suck. Alright, get that, get that. 30 points. Right off the bat. 60 points. I went to death. I went to death. I went to death again. I'm gonna be doing this for the next 50,000 years. I got. Alright, I'm stopping. I'm going. I'm gonna continue when I beat that. I quit. I will smash this PC if I go any longer. I quit. I'm going back down there. I don't quit. Maybe. If it's not down there, I quit. I quit. Holy crap, I almost punched this PC. I don't know why I couldn't get that. That was so easy. Oh, there's the owl. You need a spine crystal hoot. How about you bring me some seedless grapes? Would that be where am I going to find seedless grapes? What's down here? Does anything I have craft seedless grapes? I assume it's probably going to be something new if it does. Alright, well. Nope, I guess it doesn't. Let's see. How do I get seedless grapes? From here? Isn't this I hate that thing. Isn't this a food place? Pizza? Curry? I guess not. Where am I going to get seedless grapes? Sure, he has to. I guess you don't have seedless grapes. You die. Y'all got seedless grapes? Yo, seedless. Okay, no, it's not. Y'all got seedless grapes? Where do I get seedless grapes from? And how do I get them there? They're not in here, are they? No. I might have to look this up because I'm mad right now and I don't want to search for hours upon hours upon hours. Let's see if father has any seedless grapes for me. Alright, I'll get back to y'all when I get this thing figured out. You had it all along.
Want to get grapes? Bring me a well plushie.
Those are rare and can only be found in the deep depths of the ocean, so I had to go build a power generator to get the submarine thing working. Holy crap, thanks the internet. Son of a... I had to look at all this up. You had to click the lights. Who's gonna think to do that? That's just crazy. Thank the internet. I would have never thought to click on a light to get a white bulb. Okay, maybe I'm stupid, but craft. Power generator. See? There we are. I didn't see anything else though. I had to figure out this stupid crap by myself. You had to click on this tiny little thing right here. Alright, I'm going in. Shoot? Why can't space be shoot? That's just awkward. Whoa, what are those? Are those shoes? Are those shoes? Wait. No will any oh wait, hold on. Don't swim any further. There's monsters hiding in our cave. We have to get rid of them before we can let any tourists in. Our problem is that we don't fit in their caves. We're big and fat. Hey, what's that device? It's a gun. Oof. I go shoot them. I go shoot them for the big shoot shift. That's right. Die, monsters. Come here. You can't escape me. Big fat ugly monsters. Hey, you guys get back here. You stinkies get back here. Come here, you stinky little banana monkey. Banana monks. I think I lose that. Ow! Alright, well I saw the heart there, hence why I tried it. But don't try that at home. Unless you have a hut laying in nearby. What's that? Dude, I'm gonna be collecting everything now. I don't trust this game anymore. Alright. You die. I did not. I kissed him because it wouldn't let me go down. I gave him a little bitty smooch. Oh, I have a heart over there, anyways. Oh my lord! Die, creatures. Alright. I'm going down. No, not the buttocks. No, not the buttocks. Don't hurt me. How's this man holding his breath so long? Is that a coin? Alright, open that. Uh, open that and how do I get down there? Wait, what? It's fake? There's fake walls. Of course there are. Why not? Oh! Shoot the thing! Alright, I gotta shoot the kill now. Die, you cretins! Creatures of the depths. Is that me a creature? Yeah! Yeah! How do I get down there? Alright, fine, I'll just kill. Excuse me. I found out how to get down there. Okay, kill, 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 kill. Ow! He hits me in my toes. My toes. Stop! Die, you little stupid, ugly little smiling, happy creature who's done absolutely nothing wrong to me besides actually hurt me. But Yeah, they're evil. They're doing absolutely nothing to me. They're trying to kill me. Let's be honest. Self-defense. Oh, heck no. Uh, ow! Dang it. I got hit. Alright, shift. Kill him. Alright, kill this one too. Shift, 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 shift! You shifty little creatures. Die. By shifty, I mean you're getting shot. No! Woo! Dodging master. I'm going to sit here and take a little bitty nap. Just a little bitty nap. Uh, just, just, uh, just of a little bitty nap, you know. The music stopped. At least for me, it did. I had to change headphones, but oh my god, the quality is so much worse on these. Die, you creatures of the deep. Yeah. You can't defeat me. I am too good at this. I halfway thought that I wouldn't be able to go in there. Kill. Down. Right. Heart. Oh, oh, I've let go. I had to die. It was a sick beat. I had to die. It was a sick beat. I had to die. I should not have died. I hope you can see the regret on me, just just because of that. I have so much regret right now. I have a new incentive of for not dying. Oh my lord! I'm going to shoot you to death. No passive run for me. Hmm, kill. Oh my lord, kill. You wanna go? You wanna go fish? That's what I thought, Stinky. Okay, you know what? Oh my lord. Up, this way, down, no. At least I got the sound back. Soundtrack. Alright. Time to just book it. It's time to just book it. Bro, why? Oh, heck no. I'm not doing this. Screw this. I'm done. Bye.